It's very confusing to select the engineering branch, especially when it comes to robotics, electronics, that is ECE, and computer science, that we can call it as CSE. So we will figure out that particular part in this particular video, and comment below which particular branch you are going to select. Also, I will explain about each and every branch with the job opportunities available for that particular department, and make sure to watch the video till the very end, because at the end I am going to give my opinion what might be better or else what my analysis say. So computer engineering department is nothing but which focuses more on the software side. As the name itself says, that might be the IT side, which contains the data structure part, the networking part, and overall programming part, and the application part, that might be the data science, the data analysis part, then somewhat the neural network part, and some applications related to that thing. And also till now computer science was getting good amount of placements, because many of you ask this particular question, like where we will get the best placements. So I'm not saying computer engineering gets the best placements, but till now this was the data. The placements were taken by the students of computer engineering department or else the computer science department. But the basic part is, it is nothing but the study of algorithms, how to write a program, how to write the software for a particular problem. Means, let's say a company wants a website, let's say a company wants a particular application to be built. That might be anything, that might be a robotic application as well, it depends. So for that particular thing, CSC is recommended. So I'm not giving any advice like which branch you should select, but just I'm trying to simplify the process where it will help you to take any kind of decision, right? The next one is ECE, which can be also known as Electronics and Telecommunication, or else Electronics Communication Engineering. That is also one of the things. So electronics has the topics like semiconductors, microcontrollers, microprocessor, PCB designing. So these are certain things which are more to the electronics side. So this might also cover some topics like signal processing, and most of the things will be hands-on. Means it is not a software thing, though you might have to learn some part of programming. But having said that, it comes with the most of the hardware things, like dealing with the electronic components. So that is about ECE. What might be the job opportunities for this? You might be working as a PCB designer, or else you can say embedded system engineer. There is no specific electronics engineer kind of stuff. It depends on the company though, which engineer or else role they are giving as a new opportunity. But I think it's a kind of combination job. And then the next part is the final part, robotics and automation. So robotics itself tells us it's a combination of the electronic side, computer side, and also some part of mechanical. So if you are planning for robotics and automation, then be ready to learn multiple things at a time. Means you are not going to learn the core things, only focusing on one domain, that is electronics, then computer or similar kind of stuff. You have to be very flexible in order to learn different things at the same time. So you will be able to code, you will be getting the basics of electronics, then the mechanics, all those things you will know about it, and then apply your knowledge on the projects that you are going to build. That might be a mobile robot, robotic arm, or else anything. But what are the job opportunities? So it's a diverse thing. Some people also prefer to do masters before doing a job as a robotics engineer, but I think skill is the most important thing. I am coming to that point as well, but it depends like what the company wants. That might be the robotic software engineer, robotics engineers. The job descriptions vary a lot, but ultimately depends on the company. And I have seen, as till date, okay, till 2026 only, I'm saying many companies are hiring robotic software engineers. So that is a thing about a short analysis from my end. And also I think it will help you a lot to decide what you want to choose. Now coming to the conclusion part, which particular branch you should pick, like what will be better for you. So I think it is dependent on your side, your end, what you like. Okay, I will say, if you enjoy programming, if you enjoy the electronics part, or else you want to figure out what you are good at, then I think robotics might be also a good thing. Because the reason for that is, I think in today's particular date, companies are not hiring by seeing your branch or else which engineering you are going to do. It completely depends on the skills that you are developing or skills that you are learning and executing. That is the most important part, and ultimately it's crucial, right? Because you have to work on live projects that the companies will give to you. So if that is the case, then the branch doesn't matter. But by giving a description of each and every branch, I think you are getting some idea what will be better for you, and as per that particular analysis, you can just pick a pen and paper and write down what you like, and this will help you to analyze better, I think so. So this was for today, and we will meet in the next one. Till then, grow, learn and explore together. Bye.